Where is my daughter?
You know Pocahontas. She has her mother's spirit. He goes wherever the wind takes her.
Good morning from Brussels. I'm on my way to get my morning coffee because the plan for today is very busy and we have just a few hours here. As you can see, my outfit it's almost same as was my outfit in Manchester, but in Manchester in H&M I bought this scarf. I wanted it for a long time and now I got it, and it just like complements the outfit so well. Even like the simple outfit like this one looks so nice. And also I used French pin today for my hair. It was a struggle for me because I have no idea how to use it correctly to fix the hair. Somehow it holds my hair for now, but we will see how it's gonna look like during the day. Lucky me, today they have flea market and I missed flea market so much. Every time when I was traveling with my friends, we were trying to go to the flea markets. Кардамоновую булку оцениваю на 6 из 10. Она сухая, как не знаю что. Но все равно. Я иду и просто на каждом шагу думаю: как красиво, как красиво. Потом я заворачиваю за угол и опять думаю: как красиво, как красиво. Очень красиво, просто каждый домик. Ах, такая красота. И витрины такие красивые. Preparing for my layover in Canada already. I found this jacket in vintage shop here and I don't know if I should take it or not because I feel like it looks a little bit bigger here. But overall I like it, I think. And I think it's like very warm. this very scary tunnel to get back to my hotel. I wanted to tell you that about my trip to Frankfurt. It was the least productive trip in my flight attendant career that lasts only for 1 month for now. Even in China, when I had fever, when I was sick, I did more things than I did here in Frankfurt. Because yesterday I went out, I was like, okay, I will go to bakery, I will grab something to eat because I was starving. I didn't eat anything, like I ate only banana during the flight and that's all. So yeah, I went out and turned out that I live really close to the train station, and you know that like all areas around train stations are not good, are not nice at all, are not aesthetic at all. So yesterday I was like, Frankfurt, I don't like it here. So I just went directly to DM, I went directly to Rossmann, I got everything I need, and I just came back to hotel and I slept. And today I was like, I really want to go like to some coffee shop before I leave. My wake up call now is like in 1 hour. And I went just like to the closest coffee shop. It was like 15 minutes walk. The morning was rainy, it was gray, it was cold. And I was like, I really don't like it here. I really like, I want to go back to Dubai. And I never say this sentence, never in my head. I went to this coffee shop and it was so cozy, so nice. In the middle of this great city, this place, it was like, very fun. Later on, I just grabbed like a cinnamon roll and coffee to go, and I started to talk to baristas. And this is the small thing that I'm really trying to do because I'm going out by myself most of the time, every time. So I'm at least like I'm trying to talk like to locals, to like people in shops, in coffee shops, and they were so cute, so nice. And I was like, oh, you have a very nice coffee shop, but you know, like Frankfurt. They asked me like, how do I like Frankfurt? And I was like, I'm not sure. And they were like, yeah, it's bad here. And I never want to say that some city is bad because like I'm here like for what? For like 24 hours? I cannot say anything. So I was like, no, maybe just like my area is bad. And yes, they told me that the area is bad. But yeah, so these people, these girls in the coffee shop, they were so cute, so sweet. So I just wanted to tell you that people that are around you are very important. Sometimes it's like much more important that place you are staying at. Yeah, if you have good people around you, you just want this life, you just want everything, because people can motivate you, they can support you, they can like truly make a very positive impact on your life. My last impression of Frankfurt is very good. So I like this city, this coffee shop saved this trip, and now I'm heading back to the hotel. You know why I'm smiling like this? Because after a very long time, maybe like 1 year, I finally booked a class with my Turkish teacher. So because I haven't had any Turkish class like for 1 year, and with this teacher I haven't met maybe like for 2 or 3 years. I was just like very sorry that all my effort that I put into Turkish, into learning this language, they may disappear because I don't have anyone to speak Turkish to. So I really don't want to forget this language. I really love Turkish. I feel like I don't remember anything. Like even the basic things, I have no idea how to say them, and I'm not even talking about like some complicated sentences. But it's okay. It's like it takes time, especially when I wasn't using the language at all. It's gonna take some time to get used to Turkish again and to speak it. I really want to speak it fluently. But for now, I just decided to have 1 class per week, just like you know, just like to start with something.
Merhaba.
Merhaba, nasılsınız?
İyiyim Adile, sen nasılsın?
Ben de iyiyim. Hayatımı
Nasıl
çok
gidiyor her
değiştirdi.
şey?
Evet. İyi gidiyor. Elhamdülillah. Ama her
Hı
şey
hı.
çok değişti.
Oo, ne oldu? Ne
Evet,
yapıyorsun?
büyük şeyler oldu. Şimdi
Anlat.
İstanbul'a yaşadım
Ne?
biraz.
Gerçekten mi?
Evet, geçen yıl İstanbul'da kaldım. Staj yaptım orada.
Hı hı.
Ve şimdi Dubai'de yaşıyorum. Evet.
Bir dakika. Tamam.
Как я люблю турецкий.
Time is gone, here it is. I'm not your son, you're not my father.
Hello, Habibis. Salam. I don't know plural from Habibi, I'm sorry. We have Philistine kunafa. That's why. Today I decided that I don't want to be a Dubai hater anymore because why hate when we can fall in love? Inshallah, I'm planning to stay in Dubai for a while, so I decided to invest some energy in our relationships. And I went out today to this beautiful area called, I forgot how, as something. I will write it somewhere here. The area is super nice. A lot of shops, but you know, like design shops. Vinyl shop. I went to the open air cinema. The weather is nice. It's just like perfect to stay outside now. And I talked to some creators, which is really cool. And I realized that in Prague, all the time I was surrounded by very creative people, like literally, because it was part of my job, and I was one of them. But here in Dubai, I really miss to be around these creative people. I was thinking that I really need to put some effort into networking and meet creative people here, and just to find my people here. Идем смотреть на коровок, на шотландских мохнатых коров. First time in a long time, I finally feel that fresh air. Fresh oxygen. Tasty. Asi 10 minut jsem šla pěšky, pak jsem měla 10 minut vlakem, pak jsem šla ještě 20 minut pěšky parkem. A bylo to fakt nádherný, protože v Dubaji parky nejsou. Nebo jakože jsou, ale je to něco, co jako jen tak nepotkáš. Takže strašně se to tady užívám a nevím, nemyslela jsem, že mě potěší nějaké krávy, takhle když je potkám. Ale strašně mě to potěšilo, úplně mě to zvedlo náladu. Já jsem byla hrozně jako mrtva po tom letu. Byla jsem fakt jako hrozně unavená, strašně se mi chtělo spát, ale fakt asi ta příroda a kyslík pomáhá. On the blíž. Procházky pro Stupid Mental Health pomáhají. Takže možná to bude tím, možná bych měla být víc venku, abych byla na tom lépe se svým mentálním zdravím. Je fakt blízko. To je hrozně cool. Struggling with when I'm traveling is that I never can find a place to eat because I have this sick idea in my head that I'm really scared of getting like food poisoned. So I'm very suspicious about any places. I don't know. I just want to grab something. I'm so hungry. I have coffee and croissant. It's not enough, but at least